Hey, and welcome everybody to the show. Now, as I said before, there's going to be a lot of changes to the channel, and we're going to be heading more towards the automotive route, and I'm still finding my feet within that space, and hopefully I'm going to be doing more reporting on automotive news, especially within the YouTube community. So without further ado, let's kick this off. So Matt Armstrong dropped a video in the early new year where he bought a damaged, wrecked GT3 close to 100 grand. I think it was 98 grand or something like that, and spent nearly 40 grand in parts. Not only that, he managed to put the car together within 24 hours, more or less. And let me tell you something, the GT3 is an amazing vehicle in itself. Some people say it's almost the perfect car, the way it drives. That's nothing taken away from the GT3 RS either. But it's, you know, in between track and let's say road car. I think the GT3 hits the sweet spot without going too aggressive into the RS territory. So that video is well worth watching. And you know what? We all love Matt Armstrong, and at the time of recording this video, it is one of its most successful videos. At the time, it was hitting 3.6 million. I wouldn't be surprised if it hits 4 million by the time you see this video. So it is an absolute must-see. Right, secondly, Ricky from Living Life Fast, another Brit YouTuber. His videos I like to see as well. He has gone over to the States to see RK Auto Works, or however you pronounce it. And they're building an engine for his M3 Touring, and this company is off the hook, and you just see their facilities and the kind of work they're doing. I think on BMWs and McLarens as well, and I think Lamborghinis, especially the Huracan. So this is an absolute amazing company. Video well worth seeing. All these videos I'm going to link in the description below, so you can, after you've watched this video, you can link to those videos and go see them. Drive Tribe, Richard Hammond drives a Subaru WRX, I believe it is, with 530 odd brake horsepower. Apparently this is one of his unicorn vehicles that he's always wanted. So, you know, you get to see him passionate about this vehicle and giving it hell for leather. Now, as I said to you, oh, and not forgetting one of my other favorite channels, last but not least, CarWow. At the time of recording this video, CarWow had dropped a video where they drag raced 3 GT40s from 3 generations, from what I believe, I think it was a Mark III GT40 from 1967, then the 2005 GT40, and then the 2017 GT40. Now bear in mind, the 1967 one has a V8. I think it's a Windsor Ford, if I'm not mistaken. Then you've got the 2017 Ford V8, which escapes my memory. I should remember this because I'm crazy about that V8 engine. And of course they run the EcoBoost V6 in the 2017 Ford GT40, and it's going to be interesting to see how that VA6 runs along with those V8 cars, and the engine noise as well. Absolutely phenomenal drag race. I love CarWow, and it is one of the biggest automotive YouTube channels at the moment. Phenomenal success, UK based. I love Matt Watson, and what more can I say? Watch those videos as well. Subscribe to them, like them as well. Please also please go to the trouble of liking this video. It does help with the algorithm, and it helps promote the channel, and you know, we're going to do some really amazing things in the future. Given the success of the channel, it all depends on you, the viewers. So please, like I said, like, subscribe, leave comments, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the future if there is one.